Today on Make Shape Create, we're making this towel rack. Hey guys, I'm Cory. This is Make Shape Create, and today we're making a towel rack. Not just a straight on towel rack. We want to have some shelves up there for us to put other stuff on, be it towels or toiletries or whatever we might want to. We're going to start like we usually do with the drawing. Okay, this is our kind of rough idea of how I want this to go. A couple shelves on here, so like I said, we can put either other towels or toiletries or whatever we want to. And we want to have 2 dowel rods down here, so we can have 2 sets of towels. From watching Jimmy DeRusta, you put something underneath it and it helps you cut straighter, and it also helps the boards from falling, so it makes it a lot easier. So as you can see, these aren't really the same, or they're not cut the same, so we need to make these match. To do that, we're going to use a trimming bit. This uses a bearing to ride on this bottom one while trimming the one above it down the sides. So we're gonna flip these over, clamp them down, chuck this up in the router, go from there. Okay, so we got all that done. Everything's cut to length with the exception of the dowels, which is fine. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna figure out exactly where I want the shelves to be on this. Really thin bit, countersink screw all the way through, or hole 4 screw all the way through. Take them apart. On the outside edges, I'm going to pre-drill, using this bigger one, a hole that then we can plug with a dowel or whatever to kind of hide it. I will say it's so nice having the clamps right down there. So glad we did that project last week. If you didn't see it, you should check it out. It's going to be linked right there. So to clamp and glue all these up, we're going to use these spring-loaded corner clamps. I've never used them before, but I heard Bob Claggett talking about something similar to this on making it. So we're gonna give it a try. It'll either work or it won't. Okay, so we made a mistake. When we were putting this together, we went ahead and put both sides on, but we forgot the dowels. So, to fix this problem, we're gonna screw these 2 scrap pieces of pine together, and we're gonna take them over to the bandsaw, and we're gonna shape them up. And then we'll drill our holes through these to connect the dowels. out perfectly. So we've already taken this and we've marked out on both sides where it needs to go. So now we're gonna add some glue, get that put in place, clamp it down. So while that's drying, we're gonna try our hand at making some real wood edge banding. So I have this extra piece of scrap from the roll top desk. Gonna use the bandsaw. Got a stop block set up. Gonna cut down some strips. Get to gluing. Cut. Time to start gluing it on. The edge banding is done on the faces, on the shelves. I did have to kind of make this one work because it broke, but that's okay. No big deal. I filled it a little bit. I think once it dries all the way, we should be able to sand it down, and you probably won't even notice it once it's stained and all that. So we're gonna call it a night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Say bye, Buford. Say bye, Gizmo. Alright, so this is all dried overnight. We're going to use this to cut out the back panel for this. We also made our shelf off camera, which I think is actually off camera, but you'll see it in a minute. We're going to get this traced out, get it cut out, get it glued up, and then it's just finishing. Really happy with how this turned out. If this gave you any ideas on anything you want to do for your house, leave us a comment down below. If you like videos like this, there's going to be others right here in a playlist. There's also going to be something YouTube's going to suggest for you down here. Hope you'll consider subscribing, and we will see you in the next video. See you guys.